Hi, this is Ed Sullivan and Marco Berti, and we are starting a series on retaliation. Mark, the very first and most important question is, what is retaliation under the law? I think we all get the idea, the concept of retaliation, but the law is a little different, as it usually is, and I think it's important for the folks to know. What is it?
Well, that's right, Ed. Because, you have a lot of employees that say, well, I made a complaint of some sort or another, and then the company retaliated against me, so that's retaliation. And maybe at a layman's level it is, but legal retaliation is something quite different. And what that is you have a series of statutes out there, typically anti-discrimination statutes or statutes that provide for whistleblower rights. And then as a protective kind of prophylactic measure, statute includes a provision that says, hey, somebody makes a complaint underneath this statute, you can't retaliate against the company, you can't retaliate against them for having made the complaint, typically so long as the complaint was reasonable and made in good faith. And so you see that in Title VII, you see that under basically all the major anti-discrimination laws. So the key is the employee, to be protected from quote-unquote retaliation, has to have made a complaint that's covered by that law. So take, for example, Title VII. It covers racial discrimination, sex discrimination, national origin discrimination, that sort of thing. Well, if an employee doesn't specifically say, or at least clearly indicate that they're expressing a complaint that's covered by Title VII of, I'm being discriminated against based on my race, or I'm being discriminated against based on my sex, that would be probably covered so long as it's reasonable and good faith. But if they just make a complaint, you're discriminating against me, or you're not treating me fairly, well, the courts are probably going to say that's not protected from retaliation in the first place because you didn't actually make a complaint that was clearly made underneath the particular law at issue. So that's a fundamental concept, but it's a thread that cuts through and seams through all the anti-retaliation laws.